Do you want to know how to use the self timer on your Nikon D5200? Great, because this video is a quick beginner's tutorial on how to do just that, so don't go away. Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Barry Callister Photography, founder and creator of Photographer's Freedom, giving you the time, gear and skills to be the best photographer you can be. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for checking out this video today. My channel is all about photography tutorials, Lightroom and Photoshop tutorials, photography gear reviews and other nature photography related things. So if you're into that kind of stuff, hit subscribe and ding the notification bell. Right now, let's get into the content. Using the self timer on your camera is a great way to take selfies of yourself when you have got nobody else around to take a photo for you. You can set the timer, step back into the shot, and it'll take the photo for you. It's also a great way to take photos when you don't want to cause camera shake. So you don't want to touch the camera, so like for landscape photos, sunsets and things like that. So this is really easy, guys. All you do is hit this shutter mode button on top here and this screen will pop up on your LCD screen, and you've got all these choices in here. If you scroll across to the one with the 10S on it, that and the little clock symbol, that is your self timer. If you then click the OK button, you're good to go. You press the shutter down, you'll hear that beeping, and you get 10 seconds to get in the shot and it'll take your shot for you. As easy as that. Now, if 10 seconds is not the right time for you, you can actually set a different timer setting. So if you go into the menu here and you go to the pencil icon, the custom setting menu, go across to timers, AE lock, across again with your selector switch here and down to shutter, down to self timer, and then you go across and you've got your self timer delay here and the number of shots. So you can set the timer, delay and the number of shots that you want it to take when the timer releases. So if we go across here, you can see you've got 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or 20 seconds. So you can set that to whatever you like. And then your number of shots, you've got 1 to 9. So it'll take the number of shots that you set in there, and to select that, press your OK button. Those are the settings for your self timer. I'll just give you a quick tip about taking a selfie in this way with your self timer. What I suggest you do is get something in the photo that you can stand next to so that you can get your focus right, because obviously you can't be in front of the camera and behind the camera checking focus at the same time. So in this shot here, I've got these rocks back here. So if I was going to take a photo, I would stand near those rocks. I'd focus the camera on those rocks to begin with, use an aperture around say f8 or something so I know that I've got a bit of a depth of field, and then I'd focus that, lock it off onto manual focus, and then walk into the shot when the self timer is ready to go. So have something like that in the shot that you can focus on, a fence post, a tree, rocks, anything like that, something on the ground below where you're going to stand, and focus on that and you should get a good shot every time. So there you go, that is how you set the self timer on your Nikon D5200. I hope you get some great shots with this technique. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want to subscribe for more videos just like this one, hit subscribe and ding that notification bell. And please comment below if you have a question or you just feel like a chat. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister for Barry Callister Photography and Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.